Extreme weather, tornadoes across Colorado and Kansas overnight. 8 reported on the ground. Flash floods and hail also creating so much trouble. And ABC's Neil Karlinski is in Colorado this morning. Good morning, Neil.
George, good morning. I can tell you that they're keeping us back because the scene here is still active. There are actually power lines down in the area. But take a look at this house. You can see the roof has just been ripped off, and there's an SUV over there that's been toppled upside down. And this is just one of roughly 30 homes damaged by tornadoes here overnight. Merciless, massive tornadoes.
Tornado on the ground.
Ripping across Colorado.
Oh, it's violent.
Terrifying drivers making their way home.
Oh my God.
Wow.
And watch this extraordinary footage captured inside this Colorado funnel cloud. The winds whipping. Seconds later, actually picking up this 4,500-pound Ford Ranger truck with debris flying. The driver who was filming this is okay. His truck severely damaged. And near Denver, you can see the aftermath. Dozens of homes and farms destroyed, this house completely gutted. This SUV picked up and dropped on its roof. And it wasn't just tornadoes. Torrential rain and hail, hammering drivers, including us.
A loud clank on the car that sounds like it's denting it. People have been pulling over.
And then there were these blinding bolts. Overnight in Kansas, drivers unable to see the roads, forced to pull over but still getting battered by winds and rain. And in Missouri, water has taken over many of the roadways, making travel dangerous. This big truck swept away. I can tell you the lightning and the hail and the rain just seem to go on and on overnight. Remarkably, there are no reports of serious injuries at this point, but more bad weather is expected to roll through the area later today, just what they don't need. Amy?
All right, Neil Karlinski with the latest on that. And as you just heard Neil say, more severe weather in the forecast. Tornadoes and flash flooding possible. Rob Marciano has been checking all that out for us.
Amy, you want to start off with the flooding. Neil mentioned this, and a lot of the rain, not only from these storms, but from last week's storms rolling down the Red River. And now we've got an alert in Garland City. About 275 people have been evacuated as a precaution. A levee there is leaking right now, and they are very, very worried about that. So a number of issues to discuss. Obviously, the storms yesterday. This is in Loveland, Colorado. 25 homes damaged there. And Neil also mentioned that there's another threat for severe weather today. This will be day 4 where we expect to see the same areas getting hit. So Kansas, Nebraska, back through Colorado and Wyoming, the same areas getting hit. Likely for a 4th day, we'll see some tornadoes, large hail, and certainly some damaging winds. More on this throughout the broadcast. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Rob.